Hi, enjoylar. Yenapular Sam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Inita Dina. Yanite Yanai Otige. Boka ancha Inita Dina Chaligale Batte. Idina shortest day of the year. ಅಂಚ ತುಂಬ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಪ್ಪು ಅದು ಲೈಕ್ ಕಪ್ಪು ಅದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಮರದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಪುವೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ದ ಉಲೆ I'll bring it inside. Ancha nama family ottige fire malpuver. We'll make a fire for this cold weather. Ancha first mara collect malpuver. Unnu mamala pisundu. Elia piece. That a boat. Vale. Vale, RTG. Muppa marade pieces under the fireplace there. Yeah. Christmas tree, mara. This is the living room. Okay, yanite stop and shop batte daipanda yan rad tomato debt on the board. I need to buy them. Rad tomato bokka kalavu beans. Oh yeah, black beans in can atwa kg bokka mulpa ariandu bolandari patra down ondu goya USA rice, Carolina Hondo, different types of rice. Bocca, mulpa tomato, red tomato. That bocca yan illade batte, red tomato ortake. Bocca yan onji fried rice vanas mapue ancha and I'll start churu yene Ari, I made it into, I already cooked it with water, so I don't know what you call it after you cook it. Urpud? I don't know. Like red tomato mix marte. Yene bodu. Belly shunti. Nai. Hi, Billy. Ginger, garlic. Boka. Almost finished it. Ayan. Fried rice mate. Eggs. Tetti hotte. Tetti mate. Adi. Hotte. Okay, yanite yana konede. Vanas vande. Vanas tinde. Boka itte yan inka bag undu. Yan yana bagna pack marpue. And it's gonna be called challe must challe undu. Ancha must clothes I'm gonna pack jeans undu bag the boy a sweater shirt yep must jasti chali undu yank hat undu. So that's good. Clothes near malandu. Okay, itte in a bag pura packed it under. Ancha tumbada dina yele yan lekwe baka cardge pope in a family or together. Yeah. So, Tulu. This is how I learn Tulu. I use these worksheets. So I have adjectives, conjunctions, verbs. I just reviewed all of this. And then conjugations. So yeah, I have that. I have, different foods. I have to keep learning. But yeah, ite yan inka churu tulu bandu guttu bukancha yanka pura tulu kapue. I will learn it. It's a work in progress. Boka ite ire like mapue share mapule irina family or together friends or together share mapule. So boka tikka.